Rampuni, no nyampuni. Galango de, no langbo be. They bam with me, no ramp with me. Rampuni challenge, Ghana lead. Over 200 videos. Check. Election done. One side win, one side lose. What does this mean for you? Just another day? Or does this affect you as a person? We could discuss it Sunday. Steely and Clevey will be awarded for their contribution in dancehall. I think it's long overdue. This and much more will be spoken about this Sunday on Sunday Night Lime. You don't know we're going to have Bamboo Oasis, and we expect people to just pass through and come all a vibe with you. Seeing this Sunday, don't miss it. Sunday Night Lime, Xpressionzja YouTube channel. Check it, don't wreck it. We make it, and them want to take it. Sure.
To have lunch break. What? Say hi to that Sharbone. We have lunch break. What? Something wrong with that?
I know lunch break this. Where that every day they go?
We are going out to them.
Going out, daddy. Go me.
There's no chef there. Leave her for last.
Then put up the good right for the
Where cheese then?
Alright, so people, we stop consume them things here, right? I mean, he's a man where when we used to consume bun and cheese, the cheese what really make the thing taste good. But this, watch this now. You still a see sky through the cheese. A salt tin.
That's how we call when you cut cheese with cheddar. The cheddar where you use it. You understand?
What is it?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Right now, I bet you they put that.
What is it?
Big, the one have a little crash turn in it. God, you make a crash turn.
Big they gone too far now.
Yeah.
It's a lot of far.
Cheese flavor.
Big they gone too far now.
Your first time actually going to do a scene where you're going to speak spooky. How do you feel? Fantastic. You look fantastic, by the way. Yeah. I remember. I sent and said happy birthday. Yes, you are.
Are you recording?
Eh?
Are you recording?
Yes, I am. Yeah. So how do you feel about the scene? You excited? I'm looking forward to it as well, you know. Agent W. Yeah. Willow.
That's where he went.
Willow. Yeah.
Sounds like someone from Logo.
Big.
Yes, exactly.
How you feel about the scene? Me just finally, you know? How you feel? You feel good?
Yeah, I feel good.
And how do you feel about the scene that you're about to shoot?
Do I get shot in?
I don't know. Do you?
Do I get? Yeah.
How do you feel? Have you read through the script?
Yes, I have read.
And how do you feel about the scene?
As with all these scenes, I enjoy them. I enjoy being the guy that everybody loves to hate.
Yeah.
I love it.
The Facebook comment them just made me laugh. I was like, you know what I find interesting? I'm sitting there picturing you and your wife having intercourse with us.
You're a strange man.
Yes, I do it. I walk around and look on couples and go, how the fuck did I do now?
So, how was today's shoot?
Well, you get most of what you want in terms of not just I wouldn't say energy, but delivery and characterization. Like get it from the actors today. It's one of them days the way the scenes intense and it's a little different when it light spirited and we are run joke. If it's a scene we have a whole heap of comedic elements, it's good. But when you're going now for the moments that were supposed to be intense, yeah, sometimes they're a little heavy. So if me look tired, I'm drained, and we have one more shoot after this. That starts at 9 p.m. So, yeah.
What time now?
8:30.
8:30.
Somebody please touch the music.
What is this?
Partly share and come, please.
No, yeah, crash. No.
To do a video check already.
Yeah.
That's the lights.
Light in my hand. Say you know it go. Yeah, look for. See that check we left everybody bag, huh? That's it? Right there?
You know, so Kathleen,
Yeah.
didn't tell me.